When Bitcoin emerged onto the scene a number of years ago, proponents claimed it was a revolutionary way for the global society to quickly and cheaply transact money or value from anywhere in the world. The decentralized nature of the blockchain meant that people didn't have to rely on banks or payment processors anymore to send money or receive money in payments. This is a massive step as most of the world is still left unbanked. There are plenty of people from poor, impoverished or developing nations that go abroad to make enough money to support their families back home. Often these people are stuck with no convenient way to get those assets from their hands back to their families thousands of miles away. The internet has made this much more accessible, with financial services like PayPal, Alipay, Western Union, etc. But the issue with many of these services is that both parties need to have an account and access to the service to complete a transaction. There is a primary issue with the lack of interoperability across financial solutions that exist today. OmiseGO is a unique solution and platform intended to provide the necessary interoperability between the global solutions and bring the financial capabilities of blockchain technology to everyone. We're going to discuss how this company has been created by a team that already developed and launched a traditional digital payment platform, and is doing the same in the blockchain world. What is the interoperability problem? To fully understand where OmiseGO fits into the picture, it is important to understand the issues surrounding interoperability among financial services and solutions. For example, if a Korean worker using Samsung Pay wants to send currency to an overseas vendor who might be using PayPal for payment processing, then they aren't able to transact under those circumstances. The same goes for Kenyan farmers who send and receive currency using M-Pesa. If buyers want to purchase local products but don't have an M-Pesa account on their phone, then it has not much help to facilitate the transaction. Furthermore, if the Kenyan farmer were looking to remit any income back to family in the Middle East, using M-Pesa wouldn't be much help there either. There is a lack of communication and cross-functionality between different applications and platforms facilitating financial transactions. We have these huge global financial payment systems that aren't able to talk with one another, creating the need for a way to settle transactions across platforms. Enter OmiseGO, not to be confused with our blockchain project. OmiseGO was started in 2013 in Thailand as an online and mobile payments platform. Their focus was on serving the rapidly growing and developing parts of the Southeast Asia region. In their efforts, OmiseGO has expanded and brought on hundreds of merchants in the Asia-Pacific region, making them similar in many ways to PayPal, Alipay or M-Pesa. The OmiseGO team has had early involvement with the Ethereum blockchain from the beginning when Vitalik Buterin conceived the notion of a blockchain to host decentralized applications all in one place on one parent chain. From there they saw the potential to leverage blockchain technology to connect the different payment platforms all under one roof, leading to OmiseGO's blockchain lab being formed in 2015 and the development of OmiseGO. OmiseGO platform. To achieve this, the OmiseGO platform has several layers. The first layer is a software development kit (MD) that allows third parties to create their own digital wallet products on the platform. This is similar to Ethereum's blockchain, enabling third parties to create their own blockchain applications on the platform. Providing an MD allows developers to leverage existing code and predefined simple instructions rather than having to start from scratch and program an entire application. This makes life much easier for developers and attracts them to build on top of the platform. The second layer is a decentralized exchange, which allows for token or cryptocurrency exchange and creation without the need for third-party services. The decentralized cryptocurrency exchange is what brings interoperability into the equation for OmiseGO and payment providers on the platform. In practical terms, if someone sends $50 to your PayPal account, you can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.